we must try to protect, save our environment, this earth that we dwell, because who else? This is our responsibility, this is our home. And there are a lot of good people out there who's doing this. We need to rejoice. There's a lot of ways to contribute to save the environment. From a very small gesture or a discipline of having a shorter shower, one of the most powerful way to contribute to this endeavor is having the right attitude, right motivation. Just to be concerned about the earth, wishing to actively wishing to save this earth. That is actually key to save the environment. As a practice of generating this wish and or motivation, we have been planting the peace vase. This is a Buddhist method of contributing to the 5 elements through mantras, through substance, and mainly through the motivation. Please help us distribute this. Please help us finish this project.